Dami asangin pa biyag eh. It's $1,200 worth of fuel. Sakit akong paa, oy.
Sabon, oy.
US dollar, 1,200 worth of fuel. US dollar. Fuel? What's fuel? How's that fuel? Gasolina? F-U-E-L.
Wala na.
Fuel. Filling my truck up. Ah, okay. Ha! Hindi ako ginawa. Kabusog ni. Hangul mo kong kaon. Magapuro sa mga. Filling my truck up, US dollar, $1,200 worth it of fuel. Ay, it's a very expensive, Zach, no? It's very expensive. Ah, it's worth it because your truck is very big. Mm. You made full and I did even eat. Ano ba ka? Ano yung cellphone ding? Ayun na lang na. Isa. You made full and I didn't even eat. Yeah. Then look at my tummy, Zach. Oh, it's very, very full. Uy. I get many pots. Oh, wow. Here in the Philippines, it's a lot. That's a 69,305 69,305.50 pesos only. It's a lot. Oh my God. It's a very, very expensive. Ang $1,200 dali kayo nag-worth it og 69,305. Oh, grabe no. It's a very expensive.